Good evening, friends. Welcome to Durga Soft online training. Welcome to Durga Soft online training. Myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 12 years of experience. Okay. And, sir, we are going to launch a new batch on logic based programming. Sir, the title itself is giving that much kick. Logic based programming. Almost 300 plus programs are there in our thumbnail, but we are going to see 350 programs, pakka 350 programs we are going to discuss. And that 350 programs implementation will be there in C language as well as in Java as well as in Python. Almost you will get 1,000 programs, sir. These 1,000 programs, if you learn, then you will become king in the coding area. Then let me discuss a few minutes about this course. This course is nothing but LBP 5, logic based programming, fifth batch. Successfully, sir, we completed two batches, and third batch, fourth batch is on running. This is nothing but fifth batch. The duration of the course is nothing but 3 months. Sir, we are going to start almost today. We are going to start this course. Sir, if you forgot this December, Jan, Feb, March. At March ending, we are going to wind up this batch. And the timings of this batch is nothing but 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. We are going to take everyday session from Monday to Friday. Sir, Saturday and Sunday, there won't be any session. But occasionally, if I required any concept, suppose if you take some regular expressions, we are going to solve some problems by using regular expressions. In that regular expression concept must be required for you. Sir, it can't be included in the syllabus, right? In such cases, I will take some special classes. Like on Saturday, 1.5 hours or 2 hours only on regular expression in Python and Java. So if you attend those free sessions, what will happen? You will get the idea about how you can able to solve the problems, where we have to use regular expressions, where we have to use lambda functions, all these things. That part will be covered in extra sessions, not in the regular sessions. And the fees for this course is nothing but 1,500. Okay, remember carefully, the fees is nothing but 1,500. You need to make a payment for registering this particular class. Mostly today and tomorrow will be the last demo sessions, because two videos we completed. This is the third video. Okay. And for registration purpose or for inquiry purpose, for anything, you can feel free to contact 8096 969696. To this number you have to contact. Next, and after that, sir, what benefits we are going to get once if I am attending to your session? Very simple. Sir, at top level, I have given 4 points. What is the first point? Running notes will be updated on the daily basis. Once if the class is completed, so on the live itself, I will update the running notes so that before sleeping, you can review that running notes. Okay, video recording also will be updated. Sir, you can able to view that video up to 6 months validity. And we are going to conduct some free workshop only for based on LBP batches, that is logic based programming batches. Because, sir, we have to learn some extra information if you want to solve the coding. I told already. So we are solving the problems in C language, Java and Python. Means compulsory you should have a minimum knowledge on, sir, C language, Java and Python. So for that, if anywhere input is required, that we can able to cover on this free workshop. Okay. Then, sir, one more thing, sir, the validity of this hacker rank is nothing but lifetime. We are going to post all these 350 programs, sir, in a hacker rank link. We created a separate link yesterday for our new LBP 5 batch. Sir, that link will be shared for you people, sir, after completion of these demo sessions. So using that link, sir, you can able to practice the programs. Using that link, you can able to practice that programs, and even I will explain these programs by using that link only. That is nothing but what benefits you are going to get. And every time, sir, what activity we are going to do in this logic based programming classes? Sir, for every program, we will do these 8 steps. What is the first step? We have to read the problem statement. Maybe sometimes the problem statement may be very small. Sometimes the problem statement may be very big. So we have to read the problem statement first of all. Sir, I will show you one easy problem statement, one medium problem statement, even one difficult problem statement also. Okay, sir, let me take one simple problem I am going to take. Sir, have a look once. Just time I am showing LBP number 172. Like this, we have one problem. What is a problem? Oddly even. Sir, given a maximum of 100-digit number as a input, they are going to supply maximum 100-digit number as a input. Find the difference between sum of odd and sum of even position digits. Okay, suppose if the given number is, sir, 1 2 3 4 5, what is the first requirement? Difference between sum of odd and sum of even positions. Sir, it is there in 0th position, first position, second position, third position, fourth position. All even positions means 1 plus 1 plus, sir, 3 plus, okay, 5, right? Sir, we are going to get 9. Odd positions means, sir, 2 plus 4, which will give 6. The difference between this one, 9 minus 6, what is the result? 3 is nothing but our output. Sir, like this, we have to, whatever I explained the logic in the diagram, we have to convert it into programmatic manner. Sir, it is a very easy program only, right? Now, let me take another program. Sir, I have this one. So I have this one. What is this one? Sir, Beautify Me. The cosmetic company Beautify Me wishes to know the alphabetic product code, the alphabetic product code from the product barcode. They have product barcode is there. From that, they want to know what is the alphabetic product code. The barcode of the product is a numeric value, and the alphabetic product is a string value tagged from A to J. So we have barcode is there which contains numbers. Sir, we have product code is there which contains alphabetic numbers from A to J. The alphabetic range A to J represent the numeric range 0 to 9. Sir, to produce the alphabetic product code, each digit in the numeric barcode is replaced with the corresponding matching letters. Write a algorithm to display alphabetic product code for the given numeric barcode. Here input will be like this. For example, sir, 1023 or 10231, like this. This is nothing but barcode which is there on the product. Sir, what is its product code? They told 0 to 9 digits will be there. Sir, each and everything is represented by A to J. 0 is represented like A, 1 is represented with B, sir, 2 is represented with C, 3 is represented with D, 1 is represented with B. This is nothing but the product code. Like this, we have to implement the program, sir. Like this, we have to implement the program. Okay, sir, I hope you can able to see the difficulty level also. Some online game, sales report, sir, maximum energy in the science lab, update every element. Like this, we have how many problems, sir? Almost 325 problems we have. Okay, 325 problems we have. So as of now, but anyway, I will cover for you people up to how many values, how many programs? 350 programs. Okay, sir, these genre programs in 5 to 6 times we are going to cover. Okay, Jack Party, sir, Mr. Thomas mathematician. So third largest and second smallest, sir, colony of 8 cells. Actually, this was asked in the previous interviews almost 15 days back. I collected from one of my resource and then I placed it. Like this, we are going to discuss even previous interview questions also, and we are going to divide the problem. Suppose if the problem is very big and we need to analyze the logic for solving this problem. Sir, I want to solve that problem. How you can able to solve? Sir, for that we have to analyze the logic, right? That analysis also we are going to do in this only. Then we will take the charge to implement the program in C, Java, and then Python. And at very first time, that program won't be correct, right? Sir, we have to check, is there any syntactical mistakes or not? If everything is correct, then you have to submit the program. So for every final program submission, you will get 1 point, which decides your score. So total 350 programs means, how many points will be there? 350. At least I am expecting 300 plus points from you. Make sure that you should not copy paste the programs. Whatever programs I am explaining, listen 1 or 2 times, and the same thing you have to code it on our hacker rank link. Okay, sir, you can able to compete with others also. Even if you copy paste, it will work, but it won't be useful. As a learner, it will be very recommended, once if the class is completed, please maintain a separate notebook. Try to write down, sir, what logics are applied, how sir is thinking to solve this problem. Please write out in 1 or 2 pages. Then whatever solution I am giving, don't write the complete program. Try to concentrate on the logic where we are going to give the importance. That logic you have to write it, prepare 1 or 2 times. Next day morning, open your mobile or open your laptop. Already I have shared the link. Open that link. Sir, go to the coding area, type the program without seeing any logic, try to run. If you are getting any syntactical mistake, of course you will have a knowledge on any one subject, either C or Python or Java. By using that, you can rectify that problems. So even rectifying the problems, sir, there is no problem in the program, no syntax errors, but it is not providing the proper output. Kindly refer 1 or 2 times. Even if you are getting the same mistake, then open the program which is shared for you. Then you can analyze where the problem you have struck. So still, if you are getting the problem, yes, happily you can message me, I will guide you. This type of interaction we will have, and we are going to continue this till our end of our batch. Like this, if you practice, definitely you will become king in the program. Of course, you know, every colleges, every universities are giving the topmost priority for coding, topmost priority for coding. Even they are recruiting the trainers from various MNC companies or from various training institutes for training the students. Because nowadays, you can see, because of this 2 years lockdown, every company is recruiting the students in the virtual mode only. Sir, they have given so much of precautionary measurements for this copying, malpracticing, all these things. Sir, if you sit on the coding round, they are going to give 3 coding questions. Sir, you should not use any paper or pen. You should not think. So you should not talk with other person. Sir, just you have to think in your mind and you have to implement the program. Okay, sir, whatever programs they have asked, so it is a very silly programs only, because the students are not having that much sir, practice over this programming. That's why, sir, we have analyzed all these statements, and various requests from the students. We have started this batch, that is logic based programming. And it is highly recommended if you are a pre-final year students or final year students. Sir, 90% don't think. So join to the course, definitely you will get the job. Sir, I'm sure in my previous batch, almost 15 members, they have messaged me, they have called me, so, and they have shared their experience. Sir, because of your batch, sir, we have placed so and so company. Sir, that credit not goes to either Durga Soft or myself. So we have provided a medium for you to learn and to practice. Sir, even if you attend all the sessions, you won't get job until you practice. That practice medium also we are creating for you. Definitely utilize this opportunity. It will be very helpful for you people, sir, for your career. Okay, this is the sincere suggestion what I am going to give. First point. Second point, sir, for this course compulsory minimum programming knowledge must be required. Sir, you should have either C language knowledge or Java knowledge or Python knowledge, not in detail, just up to what is what. Sir, how to read a number, how to print a number, how to perform operators, how to write if conditions. Sir, these things more than enough. Okay, sir, for this also, if more students are facing any issue, sir, we will take a session on Saturday. I will explain you how that if conditions are going to work, how that loops are going to work. Definitely, I will help you, sir. Sir, this is nothing but what is our course agenda and what we are going to discuss. And let me show you the syllabus. Sir, every student is asking always syllabus. That syllabus contains, sir, every chapter, every concept will be there in that. Like you can expect, sir, string programs, arrays programs, number programs, patterns, everything. Sir, you can see these are nothing but programs what we are going to discuss. So duck number, number of occurrences, sir, up to this uh, yes, 1 minute, up to this 100, up to this 50, we are going to see number related programs. From 51 to 100, you can see string programs. From 51 to 100, string programs. From 101 to, sir, till 200, sir, you can able to see arrays programs. And from 200 to remaining, sorry, some 2012 up to 250, you are going to get matrix programs. And from 250 to, the previously asked questions will be there. Previously asked questions will be there. Okay, this is nothing but our syllabus what we are going to discuss. Okay, sir, this is nothing but what we have discussed in the previous session. Now I request everyone, if you are having any queries, please post it on chat window so that we will discuss those queries and then we will continue. Yes, please use chat window for communication purpose. Yes, it's time for you to please post your queries. I will keep on answering. So, sir, I am the beginner. I am watching Core Java by Durga, sir. Will it helpful? Because just I started learning language. No problem. It will be very helpful, Ahmad. Yeah, Ahmad is asking one more question, sir. Should we have to code in all languages or we should code only in one language? That is up to you. But I will provide the coding in so all the languages like C, Java, Python. I will provide the language, the coding in all these three. Sir, which is very easy for you. You can pick up if you have all these languages knowledge. But if you know only C, please concentrate on C code. That will be sufficient. Okay. Yeah, no problem. You can join. Uh, yeah, you can also ask doubts. No problem. Sushant. So meanwhile, if the session is going on, you can ask the doubts. If you have any, we will clarify that. Last day of payment, probably today and tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the last day. From Wednesday, the link is going to be changed. Anupa, for this certificate won't be there. It is a practice course, right? Sir, any doubts? Please confirm. Please let me know. Any doubts? Yeah, payment link I saw. I told already, right? In our chart window, it is there. 1 minute, I will copy paste. Someone is asking, sir, is your name is Durga or K Prakash Babu? My name is K Prakash Babu. We will get running notes as a material or any other material will be there? No, sir. You are going to get running notes as a material. It will be more than sufficient. It will be more than sufficient. Okay. Because in the running notes, I may add so many things, but in the material, you can't expect. Yeah, yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Sir, hope all your doubts got clarified, right? Shushant, you can't expect questions from this, but you can expect pattern. Same kind of pattern you can expect. Okay, but maybe in the month of February, in the sense, we may cover only basics. Okay, no problem. We have to write our notepad. Yeah, edit plus is there. See, we have link is there. In that link only we have to practice the programs. Okay, we have hacker rank link is there. Yeah, no need to share any screenshot of payment here. Please share to 8096969696 or durgasoftonline@gmail.com. For that, you have to send. Yeah, for that company, whatever you have asked, Mohad, Jishan, whatever company name you have mentioned, sir, we have that company papers also. Don't worry. So same kind of patterns, sometimes you can expect. Sushant, exactly correct. Sir, like this, we have hacker rank links will be there. Sir, here programs will be there. Just you have to click on solve challenge and you need to read the problem statement and you have to write the code provided here. Sir, just select programming language, try to type. Select programming language, try to type. Select programming language, try to type and run the code, submit the code. We will practice here only. We will practice here only. Okay. You can compete it with others. Sir, you can see how many members have submitted this code. Like that, you can compete it with others also. Okay. That part we will see soon, one by one. Yeah, data structures won't be there here. Workshops, yeah, Lalita, workshops based on the topic I will introduce. Searching for a course like this, yes, definitely it will be very helpful for you people. Shushant, yeah. Okay, sir, let me continue. I think all your doubts got clarified. Shall we move to the next topic? Yeah, you can expect full coding, advanced coding in the month of maybe March or April. After finishing of this batch, I will immediately launch that course. Don't worry. Because so many students are asking advanced coding also. Yes, definitely. Probably I will take the problems from various advanced level coding challenges and we will try to solve. So do you know such type of problems? One day, 1 hour, one problem you can able to solve. Yeah, yeah. Jishan, we will do that. Yeah, yeah. Definitely. Sir, shall we continue? Please confirm. Because from the past 3 hours, we are discussing only introduction and what you can call syllabus. Shall we start? Please confirm. Yeah. Sir, in the last video, I just started output statements. Okay. Yeah. My English will be simple English only. I am not that much efficient person in speaking English. Okay. Maybe some grammar mistakes will be there. No worries. It is a medium to communicate. That's all. Yeah. Sir, output statements we covered in the last video. How you can able to print output on the screen. So because whether you are doing a big program or a small program or medium program, if you are doing program, compulsory whatever you calculated, sir, you have to print on the output screen, right? For that, every programming language is providing output statements for us. In C language, the output statement which we used is nothing but printf. So within double quotations, if you are placing any string, that will be printed on the screen. Sir, first thing. Second thing, if you print C out of welcome, this is the output statement which is used in C++ programming. Similarly, sir, system.out.print we can use, or system.out.println we can use, or system.out.print. Sir, three types of print statements are available in Java. So three types of print statements available in Java. So we can use any one of the approach based on our requirement. Next, sir, Python, print of welcome. Very simple, print message, that's all. Even, sir, you can't see any semicolon at the ending also. Directly we can take. These are nothing but output statements in our known programming languages. With this help, sir, I covered three programs for you people. Sorry, four programs for you people. What is the first program I covered, sir? Write a C program to print welcome to C language on the, I mean, welcome to C, sir, on the screen. How you can able to print welcome to C language on the screen? Very simple, sir. I already told the statement, right? Just we have to include stdio.h. What is the purpose of stdio.h? The actual coding for printf. Sir, what is the functionality of printf is already defined in one library. What is the name of that library, sir? stdio.h. Once if you include that library, then happily you can use this printf. I executed and I displayed the output in the last video. Similarly, let me try. I'm copying this code. Let me show you, sir, how you can able to work with that. Sir, already we have that editor is there. 1 minute. Sir, what is the name of the editor? I told already, it is nothing but sir, Joodle compiler. It is nothing but an online tool, sir, where you can expect, sir, so many compilers are there in this. So this is nothing but the official website. Sir, from this you can choose any programming language. Of course, we will have our own tool, but let me see some basics from this. Sir, if you want to do the program in C, let us open C editor. Sir, here we have to type the program. Just click on execute button. Whatever messages are there here, it will read and it will understand and it will display the output. Suppose if your program requires any input, you have to supply from here. Don't worry, today I will give that example also. Sir, let me click on execute button. The code is executing and we got output here. This is nothing but how you can execute C program. Sir, I want to execute C++ program. Already the program I have taken. Write a C++ program to print welcome to C++ on the screen. Sir, ash include, for this one stream you have to include. What is that stream, sir? IO stream. Okay, and C out welcome to C++ programming. Just if you click execute, what will happen? The code is going to be executed. Sir, similar to this, I want to take it in Java also. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Java? Just copy this code and you have to paste here. Of course, maybe I am expecting you have at least minimum knowledge in Java. Sir, public class, what is the class name that I have taken? Demo. Public static void main. This is the syntax of main method in Java. Of course, we are going to discuss this one also in one special class. Okay, sir, system.out.println of we have welcome to Java is there. Just if you click on execute button, sir, what happens? It will print that welcome to Java on the screen, right? Sir, next, I want to go with my phone, my favorite programming language, which is nothing but Python. Sir, in Python, it is very simple. Just we have to write only single line code. Sir, main method, all these nonsense are not required because it is the very easiest programming language in the entire world. Okay, sir, if you are writing any instructions in Python, definitely you will get interest to learn that programming language itself. That much efficiency, sir, will be there in our Python. Even, sir, in our LBP 1 and 2, almost 50% students got converted to my Python batch. Okay, trust me, really it happened. Okay, so that much easiness will be there in Python. Okay, sir, this is nothing but, so how to print a messages on the screen by using various programming languages. Sir, up to this, okay, but I want to read the input from the user. Sir, how you can able to read? If you want to read any data from the user, sir, we have to go for which statements, sir? Input statements. In C language, how you can able to read input? For that, we have scanf function is there. We have to take a format specifier plus variable names. Of course, I will take a syntax, don't worry. Sir, C++. In C++, sir, we have C in is there. Directly you can take variable name, it will read that data. Sir, what about Java? In Java, it is very difficult, sir. We have to go with scanner class and its methods. Sir, what methods are there? Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of sir system.in. Sir, scanner will scan the data. Sir, system.in means what? It is going to read the data from input device. Sir, you can pass even a string also. In this case, it will read the data from string. If you want, you can pass a file also. It will read the data from file. But if you want to accept the information, we have various methods are there. I will explain one or two methods. Sir, if I want to access integer value, sir, we have to use next int. Sir, we have to use any variable name is equal to next int, which is used to read integer value. If you want to read float value, just change in the place of int to float. If you want to read double, you have to read double. If you want to read the entire string, then we have to go for next line. Like this, we have various methods are there. Using that, we can able to read the data. Sir, once if you go to the programming, then definitely you will get much clarity about these things. Don't worry at all. Okay. And sir, in Python, how you can able to read the value? Very simple, sir. For this, we have input function is there, and also sir, typecasting functions are there. Using this input and typecasting functions, we can read the data. Now I will take two programs for you people to understand. What is the first program is nothing but write a program, sir, to read two numbers. Okay. Or let me take to read three integer numbers, three integer values, and perform addition operation in C language, first program. Sir, in C++, second program. In Java, third program. In Python, fourth program. Like this I want to do. Sir, already editors are there. Let me implement this code. First, I want to solve this problem in C language, sir. Already editor is there, right? Yes, sir. Sir, what is our requirement? Sir, we have to take this just a small change. Sir, integer, how many variables they told? Three variables, a, b, c, and we have to declare sum. So scanf percentage d, percentage d, percentage d. Percentage d is used to read an integer value. Then, sir, ampersand a, comma ampersand b, comma ampersand c, which is used to read three numbers. Now, sum is equal to, we have to calculate sum, right? Sum is equal to a plus b plus c. Then we have to print that result, right? Sir, for that printf percentage d comma sum. That's all. Now, this program is expecting three values. We have to supply these three values here. Let me take 111, 222, 333 is the value. Now click on execute button. It will take these three values. It performs a sum and it will print the result. What output you got? 666. Is it a sum of these three numbers or not? Yes. This is the way how you can able to solve in C language. Sir, Java. Whatever I explained in the last session and today's session, if you have this knowledge, sir, happily you can learn programming also, no problem at all. Now I am going for C++. Sir, same scenario, right? But let me change the variable name x, y, z, and let me take some variable. Sir, C in, directly you can take x, y, z. No need to take any percentage, these all these things. Sum is equal to x plus y plus z. And C out, directly I am printing the value of sum. Sir, let me supply here. I am giving 10, 20, 30. Let me execute. Sir, what happens? 60 is nothing but my result. Sir, it is providing the proper result. Excellent. Now let me go with Next example, which is nothing but I want to implement in Java. Sir, I told already in Java, sir, we have to implement. Yeah, Sushant, please wait. We will see those kind of scenarios also in our upcoming sessions. Okay. I know why you are asking this question. So maybe you have faced some problem while reading the integer data and string, right? That's why you are asking. Don't worry, we have such a type of scenario. How you can read, I will explain. So there is one problem is there to check date of birth. Yeah, I know. Definitely, Sushant, I told right. So whatever you are facing in the real time, same you after learning this course, you will feel very free. Sir, I'm happy to share that so many LBP previous batch students are luckily, so they are enjoying my sessions like anything. I think my previous batch students also there in this session, I think one or two members. Anyone, any old student, please confirm so that you will give some guidance to our new students. Any old student, somewhere I have seen. No. Okay, no issues. Yesterday, it seems one of my previous batch student attended for demo. Yeah, Gaurav. Yes. Sir, please confirm. Any my old students are there? Please confirm. Yesterday, you have faced this problem. No worries, Shushant. Don't worry. I will give a conclusion for this in our upcoming sessions. Okay. Yeah. Sir, let me take Java. Let me take Java. Sir, here we need to solve. We need to solve. First, what we have to do? Scanner class we have to take. Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of sir system dot in. I am taking input. But if you want to work with the scanner class, we have to import one package, which is nothing but util. Okay. Yeah, very good. Correct. Now, sir, integer a is equal to obj dot next int. Similarly, integer b is equal to obj dot next int. Sir, similarly, integer c is equal to obj dot next int. Like this we have. Sir, now you need to calculate a sum, right? So, I am declaring integer sum is equal to a plus b plus c. That's all. Yeah, 1 minute, sir. Please wait. Yeah. Sir, we need to supply the input. Assume I am giving, sir, 1 to 4. What sum we have to get? 7, right? Yes, 7 is nothing but my output. Yes, perfectly it is working. Sir, in Python, how you can able to solve this problem? In Python, how you can able to solve this problem? Sir, I told already Python is the very easiest programming language. Sir, I will explain two versions for you. Sir, what is the first version? Okay, what is the first version? Sir, first version is nothing but I can say, sir, beginner version, beginner level coding. Okay, sir, what is the second version is nothing but, do you know, expert level, expert level like us, right? Expert means all we are nothing but experts only. Sir, let me solve this problem. So I'm taking x is equal to int of input. Sir, first input I am taking. Y is equal to, sir, int of input. Second input I am taking. Z is equal to, sir, int of input. Third input I am taking. Sir, sum is equal to x plus y plus z print the value of sum. Have you observed anywhere? Am I using semicolon? No, sir. Now first input is 10, second input is 20, third input is 30. We are going to get 50 as, sorry, 60 as the result. But make sure that in this case, we have to pass the inputs only line by line. Sir, what happens if you pass a separated by spaces? It won't accept, sir. There are some issues are there. I will discuss all these things later. But a single line code, how you can take? If it is the case, sir, we can take like this. In a single line, assume I am passing the values like 101, sir, 201, 301, like this. Now observe, sir, input is there. It is reading the entire line. It is reading this entire line. From this line, I want to split the data based on spaces. Sir, dot split. Sir, it is splitting the data based on space. Sir, int of I, please convert each I value in the input. Please convert each I value in the input. Now let me take print function. Sir, you can see whatever inputs you have given, you got those inputs in the form of list, right? Sir, in Python, for calculating some of the elements in the list, we have some function is there. Sir, directly it will return the result. See how beautiful it is. A single line code is sufficient for solving these problems. Not only these problems, sir, in majority of our LBP code, almost 10% or 15% of the programs will be only single line code only. Okay, sir, hope it is very clear for you people. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Yes, now you can ask all your queries if you have. Yeah, sir, in Python, input function is going to read input from the user. Whatever input is there, sir, I am splitting based on spaces. I am splitting based on spaces. Once if the data is accepted from the spaces, we have some inputs are there. From that, I am selecting each and every value and I am converting into integer and I am placing in the list. So that what will happen? Whatever inputs you have given, I am storing that inputs in a list format. Now, sir, what we can use? Sum of that list. It will take these elements in the list and it will perform sum. That's all. Yeah. Yeah, it is something like a for loop. Yes, of course. Don't worry. Sir, in further sessions, we will discuss in detail about this. Don't worry. Sir, any doubts up to this? Yes, please confirm. I request everyone to respond. Any doubts up to this? Yes. Sir, that's all about introduction part. Sir, let me go with what you can call the programs one by one. Sir, shall we start the first program? Please confirm. Shall we start the first program? Please confirm. Yes. Sir, let me take the first program in our LPP sessions. Okay. We will try to solve that problem. Okay. Yes. Sir, this is nothing but the first problem what we have. Sir, program to check whether the given number is even number or odd number. Sir, what is the input for this program? Sir, an integer number n. What is the constraint for this? That number should be greater than or equal to 0. Suppose if you are passing any negative number, what we have to do, sir? Sir, you have to check the condition and you need to print the message saying invalid. Sir, for this, I will explain the logic with the help of diagram. For maximum, for every problem, we will see the diagrams. Okay, maybe in my previous batches, I have not covered that much diagrams, but in this batch, maximum for every problem, we will see the diagrams. Okay, but maybe one or two problems is not required diagrams, because if I am taking sum of digits in the given number, for this I will explain with the help of diagram. Sir, if you are getting sum of even digits, similarly sum of sum of odd digits. For those things I won't explain any diagram, sir, because the logic is the same, right? That's why. Sir, now let me go with the example. Okay, first we will explain the logic, then you can able to understand very clearly. Sir, now I will copy paste this statement so that you people will get some idea. Sir, program to check whether the given number is a even or odd number. What is the first requirement? Sir, we have to read a number from the user and we need to print whether it is even or odd. Sir, what is the output statement? Sir, it should be either even or it should be either odd or it should be invalid. Any three answers you have to get, right? So input is nothing but an integer number n. Sir, I will write the logic first in red color so that you people will get some idea. So just in your understandable manner, I am going to write. Listen carefully. Sir, what is the first step, sir? We have to read n value from the user. We have to read n value from the user. Now, what is your next step? What is your next step? Your next step is nothing but you have to check whether if the value of n is greater than or equal to 0 or not. If it is greater than or equal to 0, sir, we have to write our code here. We have to write our code here. Sir, what is that code? We will write later. Suppose if it is not correct, if n value is not greater than 0, then you need to go with else. Sir, what is the meaning of this if and else? You know very well. So if whatever constraint you are giving, if it is satisfied, it will execute these instructions. If it is not satisfied, it will go to else. In the else, if it is the C language, sir, we have to print the message saying invalid. Sir, if it is a C++, sir, you have to print the message saying invalid. If it is Java, sir, system dot out dot println of, sir, you have to print invalid. Just for your example sake, I am telling, sir, please try to understand my intention. Okay, then, sir, in Python, how you can able to print? Sir, print of valid, but don't take, sorry, invalid. Don't take all these things. You have to select any one. Okay, sir, what about this one? What about this one? Very simple. Here you need to apply, sir, one more logic. Here we have to apply one more logic, which is nothing but heart of this program. Sir, what is that logic? Let me take here. We accepted the n value, right? Now, sir, how you can able to check whether it is even number or odd number? Sir, if you divide that number with 2 and if it is giving reminder as a 0, then you can print the message saying even. Just consolidated print statement I am taking. Sir, else, if it is not divisible, sir, we have to print the message saying odd. Sir, beyond that, nothing is there here. Okay, sir, let me take one example and then I will explain for you people. Sir, consider the value of n, they are giving 5. Sir, 5, is it greater than or equal to 0 or not? Yes, sir, it is greater than or equal to 0. Then it is going to verify whether n percentage 2 is equal to 0 or not. Yes, n percentage 2. Sir, 5 percentage 2. If you divide 5 with 2, sir, what will happen? Sir, 2 2s are 4. Reminder which you are going to get is nothing but 1, which is not equal to 0. Which is not equal to 0. Condition is fail. If condition is fail, it will print odd. Let me take 6. Sir, what will happen? If you divide 6 with 2, sir, 2 3s are 6, right? What is the remainder? 0. Condition satisfied. It will print even. Assume I am giving minus 7. Sir, first condition itself false. Then what will happen? It will print invalid. Like this algorithm is going to work. I hope once if you inject this algorithm into your mind, then, sir, implementation is nothing. If you know C, you have to write the instructions in C. If you know Java, you can write it in Java. If you know in Python, you can write it in Python. Sir, trust me, if you attend these sessions, you will get all the three languages basics up to RS. Okay, sir, clear up to this? Any doubts on this logic explanation? Please confirm, sir. Yeah, C++, we are not. Actually, the time is not sufficient. You can try by your own. Okay. Yeah, sir, we are going to create our new batch running notes also. Sir, what is the running notes also? Yeah, yeah. So running notes name is nothing but LBP5. Sir, LBP5 will be there. Okay. So this LBP5 you are going to get in the form of Google Drive. Okay. And I'm going to save all your documents into that. Okay. Sir, this diagram also will be there in that LBP5. So I'm going to save this file as a lbp1 dot image. So this will be shared for you even at the time of what you can call verification. It will be very helpful for you people. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Tomorrow we will see that code. So because time up, right? So tomorrow, yeah, 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 yeah. Please wait up to tomorrow. Tomorrow I will solve this problem in our hacker rank. Sir, tomorrow we will see. So these problem statement explanation one more time I will give, and then we will implement in C. Sir, in C++ also we will implement, in Java also we will implement, and in Python. All these four languages I will implement for first program, but from second program onwards, I will take the implementation only in C, Java, and then Python. Okay. Sir, please don't forget to register for this course. So I request everyone to please register as early as possible. Sir, that's all about today's session. Tomorrow also same link will be there. Okay. Sir, thank you. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you guys. Good night.